Decided to make a little boat video today since I'm going out this weekend. This is my Maxim SR 1800. It's an 18-foot boat with like a little 2-foot swim deck. It's got a 4.3 liter carbureted Merc Cruiser engine. It's pretty big, pretty nice. Hey, see if I can't get her started up.
Like stop, man.
Oh yeah. Damn it. So this boat was purchased used right around like good 13K. We broke off the last little prop on it, so we put a 4-fin blade prop on there. Little more torquey at low RPMs. As you can see, this broke off by a stump in the water. That's a decent little Merc Cruiser though. Got the foldable tongue, so it's got garage clearance. She's just sitting out here. Gotta drain it.